There are many smart doorbells to choose from nowadays, but many people like to go to Ring just because they've been here for a while and their products are tested. So in this video, we're going to go over the Generation 3 doorbell, Ring Doorbell 3. They do have a fourth one, but this one's kind of in the middle. So this might be an option for many just to save a little money. And if you have a previous doorbell, is it worth the upgrade? So let's go over all that. But first, let's unbox it. So there's a pull tab on the top. You lift the lid. There's 3 compartments. As you see, it kind of fell apart when I lifted it up, but it comes with the included screwdriver with the special bit. Then here's your accessories pouch here. So in the middle, there's supposed to be the USB cable and the screwdriver, but it fell out. And then here's your hardware packet. So it has your screws and all that. And then your warranty, the Ring sticker to let people know that you have one. And then the instructions on how to mount it. The setup is really simple, so not much there. This device here is for an angle mount. So if you have a door that's not positioned well, you can put it at an angle, mount it, and hopefully get the view you want. And then here is the Ring doorbell itself. Not much has changed, although in this edition you can customize the faceplate. All Ring doorbells look like this. This is a battery version, but you can also connect it to your existing doorbell for power, so you don't have to use a battery, but it is battery operated. And then this is the USB charging cable. As mentioned, this thing has a battery, so if you do use battery power, that's how you charge it. This special mount here is, in my case, we were going to mount it to the door because how our house is set up. We don't want to drill into the wall because we don't own it. And then 2, the doorbell isn't positioned well, even with the angle mount. So we're going to mount it to our front door to get the best view. So that's what this mount's for. You have to buy this separate. So what can the Ring doorbell do? So from the previous version, it does 1080p video compared to the, I believe, 720 in the last generation. They greatly improved the Wi-Fi range so it can stay connected longer and maintain that connection so you don't get dropped when you're trying to view live or anything. It improves motion detect and recognition, so people recognition, car recognition. It will also improve the night vision, so at night you can see what's going on better, because I know the previous doorbells had a issue with that. And then it also improves on battery life, and basically everything gets an upgrade, the usual upgrade generation cycle. So better video, better connection, better battery, improves the two-way talk, so when you talk to people it'll be clear, they can hear you and then you can hear them better because they improve the microphones. So just overall, it's your typical generation upgrade. I will say that they recently removed some of the features on the free side, so if you plan to use a lot of these features, you do have to buy the subscription, which is $39 a year, to use most of these. So just keep that in mind. If you don't plan to get the subscription, then I recommend this going with the Generation 2 or so, because most of the features are now paywalled. So if you do have the subscription and you don't mind, then definitely upgrade to this. You want that higher video quality and audio quality because that's when it's most useful. So I hope this helped you out. If it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as it really helps me out. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.